Okay, last time we talked about how Marge Simpson supposedly died on The Simpsons season 36 season finale. But it turned out it was one of those future episodes, so this isn't really canon yet. Season 36 of The Simpsons has been very meta about itself, and it even premiered with this idea toying with the finale, like the series finale, which they really should have saved for the season finale. Yeah, I remember earlier in the premiere, this led to a lot of misinformation, a lot of articles about the show being canceled, and of course this has led to the same amount of articles said about Marge dying. So does The Simpsons know how to do some sort of misinformation campaign just to see how the public will react to it? Maybe this idea of just putting it out there that Marge is dead might be a way to face an issue that I think has been ignored for a bit too long. Marge Simpson's voice. Now, I know a lot of diehard fans have already noticed this, but Julie Kavner, the voice actress of Marge, there is very visible strain on her voice when you are watching newer episodes of The Simpsons. Now, if you want to replace this character, or at least the voice actress, there's a simple way to do it. It's called AI. Now, that is, of course, a very slippery slope, because once you replace Julie Kavner, you're pretty much probably going to replace all the other voice actors as well, aren't you? Yeah, no one wants that, and there was a recent strike just to make sure that something like that doesn't happen. These people do need to work, and getting AI to do it feels like a cheat, and we're going to probably know the difference between them and AI if that technology really excels, which sadly it might. Okay, The Simpsons has been renewed to the 40th season. Wow. But does that mean that Marge really needs to be there? In other words, if they actually took Marge out of the picture, that would certainly change things, wouldn't it? The Simpsons is the last of the old school situation comedies, and when you have a situation, it requires that situation should be there. And having that family dynamic of Marge, Homer, and the three kids being their same ages, it certainly was good at the time in 1990 when the show first premiered. But times have changed. Television has changed. We do story arcs now. We have characters grow and change. But in animation, it's easier if they stay the same. Unless they want to do a complete overhaul and make a time jump. Let's talk about that next time.